In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Scareware blocker in Microsoft Edge, a feature that can enhance your browsing safety by preventing potentially unwanted applications from interrupting your online experience. This process is straightforward and only takes a few moments to complete. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Edge browser. You can do this by locating the Edge icon, a blue E with a swirl, and clicking on it. Once Edge is open, you'll be greeted by your home page or the new tab page, depending on your settings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll see 3 horizontal dots positioned there. This icon represents the menu. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down list of various functions and settings that you can explore. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to select the Settings option. Clicking on Settings will open a new tab where you can adjust a wide range of preferences to customize your browser experience. Once you're in the Settings tab, focus on the options listed on the left-hand side of the window. Here, you'll find a category labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Click on this option. What you'll see now is a variety of privacy settings that allow you to manage not only your personal information, but your browsing footprint as well. This is where Microsoft Edge gives you control over your data and helps secure your online activities. Within this section, scroll down a bit until you find an option titled Security. Click on it to access security features that help protect you while browsing. This area is crucial for keeping unwanted software at bay, which can enhance your overall online security by limiting disruptions caused by unwanted software. Now, take a look at the settings under Security. You should find a feature called Scareware Blocker. This tool is essential if you want to prevent scareware, which are those annoying programs that trick you into believing your computer is at risk and that you need to pay up to fix an alleged problem. To enable the Scareware blocker, you simply have to toggle the switch next to it. A single click on the toggle button will activate this feature, ensuring that it's now working in the background to alert you about potentially unwanted applications. And just like that, you're done. By following these steps, you've successfully enabled the Scareware blocker in Microsoft Edge. This small but effective adjustment helps in safeguarding your online experience by keeping your digital environment that much cleaner and more secure. Remember, regularly checking these settings can be a significant step towards maintaining a secure and efficient browsing environment. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.